Welcome to Wolfe, Calgary. Today we're checking out a tour of a brand new 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. It's Summit white in exterior color, powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, paired to an automatic transmission with four-wheel drive, and packed with a lot of great features. At the exterior, the Elevation gives you the black grille with color surround, a color-matched front and rear bumper, the 20-inch black alloy wheels, black running boards, black mirror caps, and body color door handles. This truck is equipped with an X31 Off-Road Package, as well as a ton of great features inside. In the cab of the Elevation, we've got a jet black interior with wood grain, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, the controls for the four-wheel drive system, the jet black cloth interior with the split front seat, power driver's seat with lumbar. Inside, we've got a heated steering wheel and cruise controls. We've got the voice control button as well as the controls for the center stack display. This vehicle has push button start, a touchscreen that also has maps and the rear view camera. We have the controls for the power trunk release, the auto start stop and lane adaptive, as well as the integrated trailer brake controller, dual climate control zones, and heated seats. Not to mention, you've got a USB-A and a USB-C port. At the rear, we have a MultiPro Tailgate, dual exhaust, a trailer towing package, and corner step bumpers. In the second row, we have lots of door storage, power windows, more power supplies in USB-C and USB-A, rear air vents, a 60-40 split seat, and then there's also the hidden storage in the back of the seat on both sides, and a flow-through, fold-down center console. If you have any additional questions about the GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales team. They look forward to welcoming you in our showroom to take your demo drive on this brand new truck.